Mastering, get, a journey through phrasal verbs in present tense. Hello, English learners. Today, we're embarking on a unique journey through the English language, focusing specifically on phrasal verbs with get in the present tense. These phrasal verbs are incredibly common in everyday English, and knowing how to use them correctly can significantly boost your English fluency. Let's get started. Before we dive into phrasal verbs, it's important to understand the verb get. Get is a versatile verb that can mean receive, become, arrive, understand, among others. It's one of the most commonly used verbs in English, making it an essential one to master. Now, let's look at phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb. Together, they create a new meaning, different from the original verb. For example, get up means to arise, which is different from the meaning of get on its own. Here's where things get interesting. We'll now explore some of the most common phrasal verbs with get in the present tense. Get up. This means to arise from bed after sleeping. For instance, I get up at 7 a.m. every day. Get on. This is often used to mean boarding a bus, train, plane, etc. For example, I get on the bus at 8 a.m. for work. Get off. This means to leave a vehicle. For example, I get off the train at the central station. Get over. This means to recover from something, often an illness or a disappointment. For example, it takes me a week to get over a cold. Note how get changes meaning when combined with different prepositions or adverbs. The best way to master these phrasal verbs is to practice. Try using these phrasal verbs in your daily English conversations or writing exercises. Remember, context is crucial for understanding and using phrasal verbs correctly. That wraps up our journey through phrasal verbs with get in the present tense. It's a lot to take in, but don't worry. With practice, these phrases will become second nature. Keep practicing, stay curious, and your English language skills will keep growing. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy learning!